Napag-iiwanan ako ng industriya. Isa sa magandang practices kasi, kakaroon tayo ng goals ngayong 2025. Hi everyone, this is MJ, your youth advocate, an entrepreneur, and living solo here in Manila. Ano ba ang mga goals mo? Ano yung mga New Year resolution? This is what they call vision board. The door is always open for the opportunities na papasok at lalabas sa atin. This is my vision board. Sobrang dami. Marami akong gustong maabot ngayong 2025, the money. Habang natagal kasi, the inflation is always kicking in. Everything is not enough. May mga nilalaanan na akong pera ngayon. Mga personal needs and necessities like food, clothing, yung lodging, ito, apartment, and mga transportation fee like that. This 2025, I manifest na makakabili ako ng MacBook Pro M2. Really helped me pagdating sa mga business, sa aking freelance work, the hands shaking. The hands shaking, more deals, more clients, at more connections. The youth logo and the tag logo. I founded an NGO which aims to help kids. Also founded this tag. This is a digital marketing solution for small SMNE. I put these two logo. I want to empower them kasi it serves a lot and it has a purpose. The man behind is doing this. I want to be successful in my own industry. And this year, I need to learn a lot. Kasi nafe-feel ko na napag-iiwanan ako ng industriya. Even though I am practicing what I've learned from my college and what I've learned in this industry, napapag-iwanan pa rin ako. So, one at a time, one lesson at a time. The purpose of this is for you to look back kung ano man yung ini-aim mo this year. This will serve as the reminder kung ano man gusto mong marating ngayong 2025. Hindi natin ma-reach to kung hindi rin tayo gagalaw. So, aside from believing in God, so we need to act something for us to reach this thing. And that's it.